Hello and welcome Nutrition Navigators to another exciting video on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy chocolate cake with only 3 ingredients. Yes, you heard me right, only 3 ingredients. This chocolate cake is super moist, rich, and delicious. And it's made with wholesome ingredients that you probably have in your pantry right now. Plus, it's gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free, so you can enjoy it without any guilt. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around and I'll show you how easy it is to make this amazing cake. But before we get started, please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. That will help get this content out to those who may need it. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, let's get to the recipe. The 3 ingredients you'll need for this cake are dates, eggs, and cocoa powder. That's it. No flour, no butter, no oil, no sugar. Just these 3 simple ingredients that are packed with nutrients and flavor. Dates are a natural sweetener that also add moisture and fiber to the cake. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats that help bind the cake together and make it fluffy. And cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants and gives the cake a deep chocolate taste. To make the cake, you'll need a food processor or a blender, a 9-inch round cake pan, or a 8x 8-inch square baking dish, and an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. First, you'll need to put about 2 cups of dates and soak them in hot water for about 10 minutes to soften them up. Then drain them and add them to the food processor or blender along with 4 eggs. Blend until smooth and creamy. You may need to scrape down the sides of the bowl a few times to make sure everything is well combined. Next, add 1/2 cup of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt to the date-egg mixture and blend again until well incorporated. You should have a thick and smooth batter that smells like chocolate heaven. Transfer the batter to the prepared cake pan or baking dish and spread it evenly with a spatula. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely in the pan before cutting into slices or squares. You can enjoy it as it is or top it with some whipped cream, fresh berries, nuts, or whatever you like. This cake is so moist and fudgy that you won't believe it's made with only 3 ingredients. And there you have it, Nutrition Navigators. How to make a healthy chocolate cake with only 3 ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And don't forget to leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe or if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Remember to stay healthy and happy. This is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.